Hello guys, good evening. Alright, so in this video I want to show you the use of all of these calibrations on the machine footer, right? So this is a 2-lion direct drive machine. So now I believe this is also applicable on other industrial machines, and most people are not aware of the uses or the use of these calibrations. So here they wrote 1/4, and here they wrote half, and they wrote 3/4, and they wrote 1, right? Now let's learn this and see what is being used for. Now this simply means that when you are sewing, from the machine needle to this first line is 1/4. From here to this point is half. Is half, right? From here to this third line is 3/4. From the needle to this other one is 1 inch. Now let's measure and see how true it is, right? So now here I will bring down my needle in this form, and then I will measure from the needle here, to this first line is 1/4, and from the needle here to this line, as you can see, is half, right? And from here to that middle point is 3/4, and here is 1 inch. So this also simply means that if you are sewing, for example, maybe you want to stitch this 1 inch, the fabric 1 inch, right? You are going to lap this here, this edge will lap here, and you sew. That means from where you have sewn to this line is 1 inch. Look at it, you see that? So now if you want to sew 3/4, you lap it here. That means from that needle to that point is 3/4. If you also want to sew half an inch, you lap it here. That means from your needle to this is half an inch. If you want to sew 1/4, you lap it here. That means from your needle to here is 1/4. So this is a guide for you to sew even without your tape. So most times when you still tell us go to a machine and sew 1 inch without any tape, it means that this is what they are using, or they have been used to stitching the whole measurement they are used to sewing, right? So here this will save you a lot of stress, marking chalk on the body of the fabric, making a lot of marks that might not really be necessary. So this will go a long way to help you to know your measurements, know the dimensions of your sewing, and know how to go about it. So I do hope you enjoyed the video. Let me also show you what this simply means by stitching this fabric in this form. So here I will place it here and sew, right? I will sew from here. So from that line I have sewn now to the edge of the fabric is 1 inch. Let's check if it's true. So it came out from this way. From here to here, you see, it's exact of 1 inch. So this goes to confirm the rest of the information I just gave out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye for now.